Hey, what's happening? Good morning, guys. Thank you for tuning into Rules for Rebels. You are back for another episode of Weird Products Daily, a daily series we've been doing about the past week where we share new, interesting, funny products, gadgets, and sometimes just kind of stupid products. I would say today's video is going to fall into the category of stupid products, although I'm kind of surprised how many positive Amazon review or how many positive good reviews they have on Amazon. This to me seems like a really stupid gadget, and honestly, I haven't even looked at the reviews as of yet, so I'm curious to see with you guys what they have to say. Kind of the purpose of this series is, one, it's just kind of fun, a look at some interesting kind of unique products, but more so than that, I find that when I look at different businesses, look at different products, it kind of gets the creative juices flowing. So, those of you guys who are drop shippers, these might be items that you want to try drop shipping. A lot of times, interesting, unique impulse buy items tend to do well. Those of you guys who are private labelers, a lot of times you'll see a product and it's like, okay, that's really cool, but maybe I could improve upon it. Or sometimes we'll see a product that it's a good idea, but it has 2-star Amazon reviews. Well, maybe you could manufacture one yourself and create a better quality product. Or maybe just kind of gets your creative juices flowing and gives you some ideas. Today's stupid product is the disposable gas neutralizers. This to me looks really stupid. It's apparently meant to help your farts not smell. I'm not sure if this was actually on Dr. Oz or not, or if they just put that in there. I guess you stick these on your undies, and when you fart, there's kind of a charcoal filter and odor neutralizing something in here. Let's see, what do they say here? Odor filter, antimicrobial, activated charcoal pads filter odors from intestinal gases. It neutralizes any odor that passes through it, so don't let any escape around it. Here's what seems silly about this to me. When you fart, your fart isn't like a laser shooting in one direction, right? Like if you put this pad on your boxers or something like that, your fart is just going to make this thing flap in the wind. It's not like your fart, unless you stick one of these up your butt, it's not like the gas is really going to pass through this charcoal filter. But let's go ahead and see what the reviews say. I'm kind of curious about this. So what are the instructions? Fashion, first aid, women's subtle butt disposable. I'm not sure why it's specifically for women. Let's see. Peel off the adhesive and stick subtle butt onto the inside of your underwear or pants, exactly where you think it goes. Go for it. Let her rip. Have at it. Cut loose. Break wind. Gas it up. But keep in mind that it only neutralizes what passes through it. So don't let any get around the subtle butt. When you're done wearing the subtle butt, remove and discard. Discard it. If adhesive traces remain, use a damp cloth for removal. Let's see what kind of comments or what kind of questions do we have. How many farts per batch? Depends on how wet the fart. So this seems to be more, I can't imagine this is a serious product. This seems to be more novelty, but let's see what else do we got. Do these also work for dogs? I don't know. Does your dog wear pants? Can these be taped to one's butt at night so the bed does not become a Dutch oven? There is 2 small adhesive strips that will keep it in place in your underwear. So unless you go commando, then you would have to tape it to your butt. Do the pads end up stinking like a fart? Yes, they are intended. They are next to your behind. I would not advise you sniff them. Let's see, not for the faint of fart. These pads are fundamentally flawed for filtering flatulence. Failing to function, farts flow forth freely, and frankly, the fragrance is freakishly foul. I fantasized about farting frequently without fearing funky fumes following. This guy's a pretty good poet, huh? But failure to field my fragrant... Man, try saying this 3 times fast. Failure to field my fragrant flatulence, I find myself frowning and fretting. Forget fornication or fellatio. I am failing to forge friendships because of my forbiddable and fiery farts. Fashion first aid, I think not. A fashion faux pas is more fitting. Let's see, update. My prodigy has particularly putrid posterior, and this guy just likes to rhyme. Please save your money. I bought these for my husband for obvious reasons. I was really looking forward to giving my nose some relief. He passes wind about every 5 minutes, even when taking Beano. Bottom line, when my husband used subtle but the correct way, it did not mask the odor one bit. So yeah, I mean, like I said, charcoal filters are used for people who are like growing pot and want to try to hide the smell. And people use like high-powered squirrel cage fans to like really suck air, and there's no air leaks. Like putting this on your butt, I mean, it's not going to do anything. Though I suppose for $12 it could make a novelty gift to throw in somebody's birthday card, or if you have a coworker who farts a lot at work, or there's some kind of inside joke. I suppose this could be kind of a fun novelty gift. So all in all, doesn't seem very functional. But if you want to buy somebody kind of a prank gift or something like that, I suppose for 12 bucks it might be worth it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button below, and we'll catch you on the next video.